how to create a passkey on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a passkey on WhatsApp. Let's dive right in. Open up your WhatsApp. Then you need to go to your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then it will take you to the settings. Go to account. There you'll find passkeys. Just tap on it, and then you can see that you can create a passkey for a secure, easy way to log into your account, and you can log into WhatsApp with Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. And your passkey is stored safely in your iCloud keychain. So tap on Create Passkey, and then you can either save it in Chrome or save in passwords. I suggest save in passwords, and you can just add passkey. And now passkey will help you so that your passwords won't be leaked or stolen. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.